If you want to get a British accent in ElevenLabs, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to find a British voice, add it to your own voice library, and start using it in your projects right away. This is super helpful if you want your voiceovers to sound more natural, more polished, or simply better suited to a UK-style audience. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your ElevenLabs dashboard and look for the voice library. The voice library is where ElevenLabs stores a huge collection of voices you can browse and use. Once you're inside, take a look at the filters at the top or side of the page. You should see an accent filter, and this is the key step for narrowing down the voices you want. Click the accent filter, then select British. As soon as you choose British, ElevenLabs will update the voice list and show you voices that match that accent style. This makes it much easier to find exactly the type of sound you're looking for without having to scroll through everything manually. If you want a more formal British tone, a softer conversational style, or something that sounds more natural and expressive, this filter helps you get there faster. Now that the list is filtered, browse through the voices and listen to a few samples if available. This is important because not every British voice will sound the same. Some may sound more refined, some more casual, and some may suit narration better than others. Take a moment to choose a voice that fits your content, whether that's for YouTube videos, social media, podcasts, or professional projects. Once you find a voice you like, click Add to My Voices. This saves the voice to your personal collection so you can access it more quickly later, without searching for it again. After that, the British voice is now part of your own voice setup, and you can start using it in your ElevenLabs creations. That's really all there is to it. By using the voice library, selecting the British accent filter, and adding the voice to My Voices, you can get the British accent style you want in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content, and it lets you know when I upload more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.